Hi, it's Barbara again from Miller's Floral Design. With the virus, we've had to think of our business slightly differently, that we can't show things off in the shop like we used to do. So what we're going to try and do is try and post things on Facebook and on Instagram of things that we've made, and we might say we've got 3 of these for delivery tomorrow. So just bear with us a little bit. So I'm just going to do this design. It's quite an exotic design, a bit of a change from the hand-tied. So we're going to put Oasis into this box. So we're going to tie this material, the voile ribbon round it. This is to stop it from coming apart, the box. Then we're going to get the cellophane, like so. This is the Oasis, which I've had soaking for about a quarter of an hour. I'm just going to gather it all up and pop it in the box. So it's just a little bit higher at the back than the front. Then I've just cut the Oasis. And I'm going to wedge it down the side so to keep the Oasis nice and firm, like so. I'm going to use some Pussy Willow. This is gorgeous colour, like a lovely lime green colour. I'll turn it round every time to show you what it looks like. There we go. We're getting a little bit of height and a lovely palm leaf behind it. I'm going to use a lovely Cymbidium orchid. So that'll be... And when you receive one of these, you must fill it up with water. Mix the flower food with the water and then fill this Oasis up every day. And we're going to put a little Monstera leaf in at the front. Then we've got some lovely Gentiana, one of my favourite flowers and one of my mum's favourite flowers. Gorgeous, it's a lovely bluey colour. Then we're going to, it's a very vibrant design this, a very exotic design. I'm going to use the anthuriums, lovely green colour. Again, I'll just turn those round. Almost look plastic, those. We call them like a painter's palette, but it is the anthurium. Then we're just going to put a couple of really vibrant cerise gerbera in. So like I said, this one, you must fill it up with water every day because there's so many flowers in it. You know, it will drink the water up. Now we're just going to put some little filler greens in. So this is what we call the exotic arrangement. We've got this one for sale tomorrow or Tuesday. It will be absolutely fine, and we can make 2 more of these, but they will be slightly different colours. So if you want to order these, just give us a call. We'd love to chat to you. You know, we've got a little bit, we haven't been speaking to anybody, so it'd be great to speak to you. So if you want to order this for tomorrow or Tuesday or a different colour, just give us a call tomorrow on 0161 633 5842. Thank you.